I don't think. You think I should tell him? You think I should tell him? Really? You think so? All right. Hey guys, it's your girl Esther, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, aka Bun, and I'm back with another video. Of course, if you have not subscribed, you might as well go ahead and click that subscribe button. Yeah. Over here, so. Yup, right there. And click that bell notification while you're at it. You did it? Alright, you might as well go ahead and give this video a thumbs up while you're at it, since you're already down there, right? Yeah. So, I just want to go ahead and say, how y'all doing? Y'all good? Y'all ready for these tips? Cause you not ready, but I am for you. Alright, so this tip right here is very important. So, for those who are doing the DIY twist Microloc, I got some stuff for y'all. So if y'all planning to do your own twist, sis and bro, I can't forget about you guys. All you have to do when you are doing your separating, like doing your parts or whatever, and you're going to start that one lock, you start with a braid, probably like, 1, 2, 3, 4 down, twist all the way down. Then before you get to the ends, all the way to the ends, you braid it. You braid the ends. It doesn't prevent slippage. The slippage is not as much. Another tip, listen closely. Are you here? We together? Are you still here? Did you fast forward? You did it? Okay. Listen. Muy importante. Entiéndame. Listen to me. This is the biggest tip of all. The biggest tip I'm going to give you. Whenever it comes to your reties, you make sure you take 2 days to dedicate for your hair only. Why? Because you have to groom your locks. Yes, when I say groom, you go through your babies, okay? You go through your babies. Make sure there's no holes. Make sure there's no lint. Yeah. And then you go ahead and do your retouch so that you wouldn't have to go back again a few years down the line and be stuck with buildup in your locks. No. We don't want that. No. We do not want that, okay? 2 days. 2 days dedicated to your hair. They could be back to back. They could be in the beginning of the month and the end of the month. Just make sure you get 2 days and just dedicate it to your hair. Your hair will love it. No, I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but do not lay your edges often, okay? Because the perimeter is not meant for that. I know. Listen, the BDBs are gonna have to live. The BDBs have to stay. Yes. Listen. Caking up your edges all the time with them gels and pomades and waxes. No bueno. No, I know, boo. You can't use it. Pop. Don't do it. I'm sorry. Don't lay your edges often, boo. Listen, I've said this in my other videos, but I feel like my point isn't getting across. Moisturize your ends, okay? These babies are very, very fragile, okay? Moisturize your ends. A lot of people forget to do this because they're so on the roots. They gotta separate the roots, moisturize the roots, wash the roots. Forget the ends. Don't forget the ends. Don't forget the ends, baby. Don't forget the ends. Don't forget the ends, baby. Don't forget your ends, boo. Don't. I don't think. You think I should tell him? You think I should tell him? Really? You think so? All right. Okay. Listen to me. I'm telling you this because I have seen it with my own eyes, okay? I know y'all looking like, dang, her hair looks so good. Listen. For the perimeter of your head, make sure you use a different rotation. So, when I say different rotation, a rotation less. So if you do 4-point rotation throughout your whole head, about 2 rows in the front, use a 3-point rotation. If you use a 3-point rotation, use a 2-point rotation. If you use a 2-point rotation, you can only palm roll at this point. All right, listen, you didn't get it from me, but I'm giving it to you hot and spicy. Thanks so much for watching this video. I appreciate you so much. I also have a giveaway happening, and I will leave that information down in the description box for you. Also, I'm going to go ahead and give you a virtual hug. Thank you, Sherry Doo. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys that has been watching all of my videos. Yes, it went deep there. Other than that, I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye! Hey, it's Sino Esther here. We got a bonus clip. Yeah, I know. I listened to y'all. Oh, you wasn't ready, huh? I know. I gave you all these tips and just gonna leave you hanging dry with no bonus clip. That's not me, boo. I got you. Go ahead. Enjoy.